Today we're looking at the Jim Dunlop MXR FET Driver. So here it is. It's an analog pedal with true bypass, and it has a level and a drive, and then a basic EQ and a high cut button which cuts out the high frequencies. It's got quite a variation of sounds is what I've noticed, from that kind of warm bluesy type thing to a crunchy, more rocky chordal type sound. Basically the pedal is emulating a tube sound, an overdrive sound to early stage distortion. FET stands for Field Effect Transistor, and it's a transistor inside the pedal which emulates a tube sound.
So it's like an amp in the box kind of thing?
That's exactly what it is, yeah. We've got, like I said, we've got the level and drive, the EQ and the high cut frequency, which are the kind of things that you'd have on an amplifier. Today we're using an American Fender Telecaster 52 reissue going into the Vox Bruno amp, which really suits the Telecaster, and as does the pedal. So it's a nice little unit we got going on here, I think. Just one thing to mention, we've got a bit of hum, which seems to be the single coils on the Telecaster. So it's nothing to do with the pedal or the amp, just to make note of that. Okay, the sound, we're going to check some sounds out. The intro sound that I was using, we've got the level halfway, and a quarter way we've got the drive, and just over halfway we've got the low and high frequency controls. So we've got this slightly which is quite nice when you play quite softly. Dig in a little bit. Breaks up quite nicely. Okay, we're going to add some drive now. Take down the level a little bit, so we'll just get more of a distorted, heavier kind of. Going to mess around with the controls a little bit now, taking off the bass end, adding quite a bit of high in, swapping it around the other way, rolling off the treble, adding in the bass. You can hear that as it's coming. Drive going up full, adding a little bit more top end. So that's all on the front pickup of the Telecaster. Now if I knock it into the back pickup, so you get a whole another bunch of sounds as such when you change pickups. So added to this, we've got the high cut. So that gives another little selection of sounds. So it just takes off the top end. There's the top end taken off. So, you know, with all these variations, just in such a simplistic form, there's a massive range of sounds. And of course I've got the middle pickup as well. So whatever your setup is, whether it's Telecaster, Stratocaster, Les Paul type of guitar, with your pickup selections and the variations in the pedal, you've got a massive range of sounds. I think the warmth of the pedal, the tube emulation, really works. And so you can go from, as I've shown already, the bluesy, clean to crunch to overdriven. They're all really authentic, and the playability of the pedal is really quite something. You know, you can dig in and bring out more crunch. I mean, also, you know, we didn't even experiment with rolling off a bit of volume, but you know, that's another possibility. Okay, we're just going to crank it up to kind of full drive, get the drive on full, just to show you what it can do, really. Okay, check out more of a sort of jazzy kind of 3-3-5 type. So rolling the drive off, adding the level on. We've got quite a bit on the bass end. Rolling a bit of the treble off. Yeah, really wide range of sounds, from, you know, that clean, kind of slightly bitey, to the warmth of the slightly jazzy, to the overdriven, to the sharp overdriven, crunchy. What a great pedal! It really is. It's really enjoyable to play. It's 139 English pounds. And that's a street price, and yes, I definitely would buy it. Yeah.
What would it add to your rig then? Because you're very much one box at the moment.
Yeah, I mean, I use multi-effects a lot, but I'm putting together at the moment, a new pedal board, and it's just, well, as you've seen, all the variations on it, it's so usable. Yeah, and you know, but not just the usability, the actual quality of the sound. I really like it, and especially with this little setup here, sounds great.